Hi beauties, I hope that you are well. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do the lazy girl method, also called the Femi Beauty Method. So I'm grabbing my primer as well as my base coat, and I'm going to be using a full cover Gel X dupe nail tip as well as a clear polygel for this tutorial. You want to start off by applying primer to your natural nails. Before you apply your primer, you would need to file and buff as well as trim your cuticle and dehydrate your nails by using isopropyl alcohol or a nail dehydrator. Once you have done your prep work, then you go ahead and apply a very thin layer of a non-acid primer and allow it to air dry. Once your nails have already air dried, you're now ready to move on to the next step. So the next step in this lazy curl method is to apply base gel to all of your natural nails. Once you are done, you would simply pop your hand in under your UV lamp and allow it to cure for around 60 to 90 seconds. All nails are now cured, so we are ready to move on. We will now apply a full cover nail tip to our nails, and I'm using a Gel X square dupe from AliExpress. We are going to proceed with applying a layer of primer to the nail to give it a chemical etching, as well as a thin layer of base gel. Do not cure the base gel, as you will need this slippery layer to apply your clear polygel. It's now time to apply our clear polygel. I am using a new tube of polygel from Saviland, so if you do not have a clear polygel, you can use any polygel colored also, as this method can be applied for any polygel. I'm going to be using my Macart polygel brush, as this is a good quality brush and it comes with a spatula as well as a brush double-ended. So you want to squeeze your polygel onto your spatula and then gently apply it to the tip of the nail tip. Now, as with some new polygels, they usually settle to the top of the tube or bottom, depend on how you hold it. So you will need to apply pressure to press it down and squeeze it out. I'm applying it to the base since I am covering the entire tip of this nail. But if you were wanting it to be just at the top to do other types of polygel creations, you would apply it to the tip. So taking your brush and a little bit of that base gel onto the polygel, you're going to gently pat it into place and move it on down to the base or tip of the nail. Once you have your polygel into position of the nail, however you want to design it, in my case, I have just clear polygel over my entire nail. You want to remove that excess off of your brush because you will need to reuse your brush again, and then apply a very thin layer of base gel onto your natural nail. Once you are ready, apply your polygel tip to your natural nail, pressing down to make sure that all air bubbles are released. Take your time and position your nail properly onto your nail bed to avoid having a crooked nail. Hold your nail down and then cure under your UV lamp. And your nails should look just like this. Your nails are ready to be designed, but before you can do that, you will need to file and buff your nails so that they look a little bit more natural in preparation for nail design. So stay tuned for my next video where I will show you how to design your nails with acrylic powder as well as gel polish.